Hi guys, I'm gonna talk about the tropical depression 1 that has formed today this morning right in the west of Florida, close to Florida, and will be moving north towards South Carolina and North Carolina in the next days. We can see here winds right now are maximum sustained winds at 35 miles per hour, moving northeast at 14 miles per hour. This is the wind probability of wind, tropical storm wind. We have about 40 to 50% chance on the east side of North Carolina, Virginia about 20 to 30%, New Jersey about 10 to 20%, New York City about 5 to 10%, Rhode Island 5 to 10, and Boston, Massachusetts 5 to 10% of probability of tropical storm winds. Here's the earliest arrival time of the tropical storm winds on Monday afternoon in North Carolina, Monday morning about Virginia, and on Monday night tonight at New York, and Monday in early Tuesday morning around Boston. This is a future radar. We can see that on Sunday it's going to be already a tropical storm moving towards North Carolina by Monday, and then Tuesday moving away from the USA, moving back to the Atlantic Ocean. Winds, we'll see strong winds here at the coast. I'm going to put here miles per hour. And I'll go here Monday. We're going to see on Sunday, tomorrow, we'll see winds around 20 to 25 miles per hour. Moving to Monday morning, we'll see 30 miles per hour winds, gust winds on North Carolina. And Monday morning, we'll see winds more than 36, close to 40 miles per hour winds. Right here, pointing out to even 45, 47 miles per hour winds in New Jersey and Maryland. At Atlantic City, we'll see winds about 45, 49 miles per hour, and the city 53 miles per hour. Right there, gusting up to 50 degrees. New York City will see strong winds, either winds between 30 and 40 miles per hour gust there in New York City. Boston will see between 30 and 40 miles per hour wind gust, either there in Boston. So it's going to be very windy days here Tuesday and Wednesday for the northeast of the USA. We'll see strong winds, heavy rains, and even strong winds there, heavy rain showers, either with this tropical storm. So watch out guys for heavy rain and strong winds in the northeast. New York City and Boston will be affected by this storm. The forecast for the year, we have the Colorado forecast 18 to 22 named storms, 8 to 11 hurricanes, and major hurricanes about 3 to 5 them. The name of the next name is Arthur. There on the list, Bertha, the second name in crystal ball, and the sea names right there. So we will still be talking about Arthur tomorrow. That's going to be forming there in the Atlantic west of Florida, but Florida will feel some effects of this storm in the next days. So tomorrow I will talk about the next models here in my channel.